Alright, worksheet 24B here. We're going to start with the slope-intercept form of a line, okay, given the slope and a point again. So with 0, that's going to be 0 over 1. Okay, when I cross multiply 0 times anything, it's just going to turn into 0. Okay, and when it says a 0 slope, you can always just choose your y value. Kind of a shortcut. That's this right here that we talk about. We'll talk about that today in class. All right, number 2, start with negative 8 over 3, y minus negative 5, and x minus 3. Cross multiply here, so 3 times y plus 5, and negative 8 times x minus 3. And isolate your y. So y will equal negative 8/3 x plus 3. Okay, and remember, when you get done, your slope here should match the slope that you were given in slope-intercept form. All right, jump to number 7. So negative 1/2 y minus negative 3 and x minus 4. We're going to cross multiply here, so that's 2 times y plus 3 and negative 1 times x minus 4. And isolate your y. So move my 6 first. And then divide everything by 2, which gives me a final answer of y equals negative 1/2 x minus 1. And again, my slopes match. All right, number 8 through 12 are just asking you to identify the slope on the graph. Okay, we can do it 2 ways. All right, I'm going to start by doing the slope formula. Okay, so if this is 0, 0, that's going to be negative 4, 1, and negative 4, 3. Okay, so if I do the slope formula, that's going to be 3 minus 1 over negative 4 minus negative 4. Anytime that 0 is on the bottom, it's going to be no slope or undefined. Okay, or remember I talked yesterday about how this is the start of the letter N for no slope. Okay, so number 10, you can either count or do the slope formula. If you count, it's going to be up 4 over 5, so our slope is going to be 4/5. All right, and then that takes us to number 13 through 20, which are just your slope formula. Okay, so y minus y, so 13 minus negative 8 x minus x. Change your negatives. So that gives me 21 over 4. And neither one of those can be reduced. So it just stays 21 over 4. For number 14, it'd be 17 minus negative 15 and 4 minus negative 4, which is going to give me 32 over 8. And 32 over 8 does reduce down to 4. And as a slope, I want that as 4 over 1. All right, moving to number 15. Okay, we're going to do 3 minus negative 1 and negative 12 minus negative 10. So that's going to give me 4 over negative 2, which does reduce to negative 2 over 1. And then 16 is the last problem I'm going to work out on this worksheet. Okay, you're going to go -1 minus -16, -20 minus -10. Gives me +15 over -10, which is going to reduce down to -3 over 2.